The F250s V8 is a serious engine, but the factory intake is holding it back with restrictive tubing and a cramped airbox. More cold air means more power, sharper throttle response, and that aggressive induction sound you actually want from a big V8. Links are in the video description. Let's get into it. Buried at the bottom but worth knowing about at number 6, we've got the AF Power Magnum Force for the 2011 to 2016 F250. 47% better airflow over stock, up to 18 horsepower and 22 pound-feet of torque. The 5.5-inch Oval Pro 5R oiled cotton gauze filter sits behind an 18-gauge snap-in heat shield that attaches right to the factory airbox. Wrinkle black powder-coated one-piece aluminum tube, all hardware included. 50-state legal with CARB exemption. Solid entry-level upgrade for the earlier generation. Coming in right above it at number 5, here's the K&N for the 2011 to 2016 F250. The mandrel bent wrinkle black aluminum tube, oversized oiled cotton gauze filter, estimated 13 horsepower and 15.4 pound-feet of torque. Filter cleaning only needed every 100,000 miles. Installs in 60 minutes or less, legal in all 50 states, and backed by K&N's no-hassle lifetime limited warranty. Clean, proven, and reliable for the older generation owner. Sitting in the middle of the pack at number 4, meet the AF Power Momentum GT for the 2017 to 2019 F250. Up to 15 horsepower and 17 pound-feet of torque. One-piece sealed roto-molded housing with a built-in sight window, 9-inch tall 5-layer Pro 5R oiled cotton filter, and a dyno tune tube designed around the stock mechanical fan. Optional dynamic air scoop available separately. No cutting, no drilling on factory parts. Not CARB exempt. Right behind the leaders at number 3, we've got the K&N for the 2017 to 2019 F250. Best power numbers of any option for that generation. Estimated 18 horsepower and 17 pound-feet of torque. Mandrel bent black aluminum tube, oversized oiled cotton filter, 60-minute install, all hardware included, legal in all 50 states. Backed by the lifetime limited warranty. If you are on a 17 to 19, this is the performance pick. Nipping at the top spot at number 2, here's the S&B for the 2020 to 2022 F250. 34% airflow improvement with a 99% efficiency rating. Fully enclosed airbox blocks engine heat, snap-in lid for quick filter access with no screws, and 2 airflow configurations. Run it open for maximum air or plug the secondary inlet to pull solely from the front scoop. Available in cotton cleanable or dry extendable media. Aggressive induction sound, not street legal in California. And taking the top spot at number 1, the K&N NextGen for the 2020 to 2022 F250, the clear winner on this list. 34% airflow increase, 24 horsepower and 21 pound-feet of torque, all on a stock tune with 0 tuning required. NextGen hybrid airbox lowers intake temps, quick lock filter snaps in with 1 hose clamp, and the CAD-designed tube maximizes airspeed to the engine. Installs in under 60 minutes lifetime warranty. Engineered in the USA. Best cold air intake for the 6.2, full stop. And that is your top 6 cold air intakes for the Ford Super Duty 6.2. Organized by model year. Every link is in the video description. Go grab the one that matches your truck. If this helped, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More F250 content is dropping soon. Catch you in the next one.